That is perfect. Did you see that swing and then go back the other way? Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Very good. You gonna go down the other steps?
I don't need to go down any more stairs, do I?
Oh, I guess not. Let me see the back. It's kind of, the light is flooding out here. Okay. Okay.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Whee! Uh-oh, I don't want to destroy it.
How?
Pushing it on things.
I don't think you can destroy Tool. Oh, honey, that's just sweet.
I can't believe it fell in gravel and there's nothing on it.
I can't believe it either.
There's actually a tiny spot right there.
Uh-oh. Where?